Welcome back to this tutorial lesson on HTML, and today we'll be talking about list, HTML list. Okay, now there are few types of lists we'll be looking at. We're looking at the unordered list, HTML ordered list, and a definition list. Okay, so first of all, let's go to what is a list itself. Know that a list itself is information that we put on a document or paper to put in some items. Okay, maybe you want to list some item for shop your thing, you put them in a list. Okay, so it's an orderly what arrangement of what of files or of items or kind of paper. So the HTML has its own mode of what of list. Okay, which is what the ordered unordered list, the ordered list, and what the definition. So let's first look at the ordered list. Now, an ordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML, the UL tag. The UL tag. U means unordered. Then the L means what? List. So if you want to create an unordered list in HTML, you begin with what? The UL what? Tag. Okay. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet. Okay, that's the default thing you see. Now, but you can use with the type attribute to change the bullet, okay, to whether being a square, a circle, or a disc, okay. So if you see the example over here, we have UL type square, we have disc, we have circle, okay. So maybe you don't want it to be default like value of type of this, okay. So you want it to be like a disc or a circle. You can use the type inside the what the UL. Okay, so we'll be looking at all these kind of things. So let me first of all take off this and see. So let's copy this and let's go back to our code. So go back to your code, and then let's see. So let me go to menu, workspace. Those using VS Code is straight for you. So HTML course, and if I'm going to create a new file again, and we call this file this time HTML, and make it HTML underscore lists. Okay, dot html. Okay, for the extension is just HTML list dot html. Let's add it to it. All right, so our file is there. Let's look for it and then let's take it out. So where is it? Okay, here is it. Good. So over here, let's create our border, MTN border plate. I'll just click on this one. I get it. So the heading, let's change the heading to HTML list. Okay. So over here, what do? We said before you do what you can create a list. We are looking at the unordered list. Okay. So let's create our open our tag UL. It's open for us. So I wanna put, so this is where you go. Okay. So I have it. So let me just paste it. So but you must type this. I recommend that you do what you type. Okay, so this is it. It's very clumsy, so I have to put them neat in good thing. So you come here, then you too, you come here. All right, or again, you too, you come here, then the closing tag will come beneath it. Okay, good. So the closing tag should come somewhere here. So we are going to create this in a few seconds. We have the list of C. This means a list of what language. Let me put before the list. Let me put in some H1 tag over here. Then let me say programming languages. So Programming languages. All right, good. So let's go and see how what our compiler will do over here. Very good. So programming languages, here it is. So we'll make it big for you. So you have C, C++, Java, HTML. Now watch here. You see that the bullet is dotted. Okay, that's the default bullet for all on other lists. Okay, so assuming that we don't want this browser to give us the default bullet, what do? We go back into our code and then we put in the attribute called type. Okay, type. Then we say disk. You can use disk for it. Let's go and check. Okay, let's go back and see what is happening here. So let's go back to our back and see our code. Okay, so we have disk. Then let's see what is wrong over here. UL type disk. I think it should work. Okay, that disk. Let's use square. Let's use square. Okay, it worked. It worked. Let's use square. Square. Okay. All right. So meaning that the disk, the default value is what? The disk. Okay. So the disk is the default value. So you want to change it from disk to square, you can use it. Let's see circle. Circle. This is circle. Yeah, I got it right. Good. Circle is over here. Okay. So this is what? An unordered word list. Okay. So in our next tutorial, we shall dig more into what an unordered list and find out how we can do what we can make progress from there. So meet me in the next lesson. I'll recommend that you subscribe to this channel and then let's get moving.